When you build your business on YouTube, people want not a show, but they want value from you. And therefore, you need a particular structure for your YouTube videos. In this video, I'm going to explain you basics on how your YouTube video should be structured if you want to build your business on YouTube. Before we go on, this channel is to help you build your dream business and create the freedom you need to really enjoy your life and make impact to help other people. So consider subscribing, and this way we can meet again and again so that you can learn more. And if you want to start your business but you don't know what to start with, make sure to check out my free training on building your dream business. The link is in the description below. YouTube video structure. If you provide videos for your potential clients, you need a short intro. It's like from 30 seconds to 1 minute. If you're just a content creator, then you can, have a very long intro, which is very entertaining with a lot of sound and music and action. But if you build your business on YouTube, in most cases, you provide more educational videos, and those are the videos that people search online. They want to get the information, how they can solve their problems. So it's very important that you get to the point as soon as possible, and therefore a short introduction. And your short introduction should continue first of a hook. A hook is where you basically repeat, the name of your video, because people want to know immediately if they are in the right place, because sometimes, you see the video, you click on it, but people are talking about something completely else. Therefore, the hook is important, and you can also make it in a different way. You can just ask a question related to the topic or something like that. Anyway, people should know immediately that they are in the right place. The second is how you can help. It's great to mention already in the beginning how you can help, what you can give, what kind of value people can get on your channel, what they can learn from you. So here you can talk about your achievements, testimonials, things you can provide, value you can provide, skills you have, maybe you wrote a book, maybe you have some kind of program going on that can help people. Anyway, you can mention everything you have to help people. And it's good to be pretty specific here because there's so much information going on. And if you don't tell people how you can help them, they need time to figure it out on their own. So it's good to be very clear here. And also, it's great to mention the outcome. So you say that at the end of this video, you will know this and that, Like, by the end of this video, you will know the whole structure of a video you need to implement if you want to provide value to your potential clients on YouTube, And this way, people also get to know exactly why they want to watch the whole video. And then you go to the second part, and that is the main part, where you basically provide value on a particular topic. So you answer those questions, you help people, you explain exactly what to do when you need to do this and that. And then, sorry, that was two. And the third one is call for action. And call for action is to show people that they can get more value from you, They watch this video and maybe they want to get more information, more transformation, more help. And therefore, it's important that you help them to understand how they can get to know you better, get more value from you. And this is what call for action is. And sometimes you can also put your call for action somewhere at the beginning as well, somewhere within the introduction when it, fits. And most of cases, people prefer put the call for action at the end, because anyway, those people who act are very interested in your content. They will probably watch till the end. And therefore, call for action is very often at the end, because then you have the right, to provide more, because people are already interested, they watched it all. And here is the best way is to send people to your email list by providing them extra value, because if you provide people extra value, it's reasonable to ask for their email so that you can provide value on a regular basis. And this is kind of fair, in business. So people don't just give you their email like that. They want to get value for that. And this is what you offer. And it should be clear what you offer. So it's a very simple structure, but it's crucial that you follow it if you want to build your business on YouTube. And leave me a comment if this was useful for you, because when you leave me a comment this way, I get the feedback and I know what you need, and I also know what kind of videos you want me to make. This way I can also improve this channel so that you can enjoy it more. Check out the useful links below in this video. I hope you already subscribed. If not, consider that so that we can meet again next Wednesday. Meanwhile, watch another video of mine on how you can sell on YouTube. And in this video, I explain most important metrics when it comes to building your business on YouTube. So this video here, I'm sure it can provide a lot of value for you. So I will see you in that video.